Nwaanyị anaghị ekwe nwoke n'aka. Because ndị ọbụla na-eme ka their own culture si wee dị. Nwaanyị aha ekwe nwoke n'aka. Ihe nwaanyị na-eme bụ gịnị? Ihu nọtara nwoke, o mee gịnị? O metụ gị aka. Wee sị gị ya dịrị gị na mma. Mana enu ụwa kịta, ọtụtụ ụmụ nwaanyị na-ekwe ha na-ana nwoke 5, ana nwoke 3, ọ na-etoru ha etoru, adịbụghị before. So my brothers and sisters, the thing why they talk be say, for the real sense, we women, we not supposed to dey shake man. You know they show respect at all. Any man where woman will shake him, make I tell you, get something we go lost for in life. Now me they tell una, any man where a woman shake him, he get something we go they lost for in life. Even that woman supposed to go and do cleansing. Now me they talk am. Challenge me, I go tell you why you go do cleansing. Because man na power. Where every one of us will be woman, we supposed to give them that respect where belongs to them. As a man, but we know they give them respect. The only color woman can break is goro. If you want to eat goro. But 3 native color, 4 face native color, woman no dey break am. Woman feel him husband fit tell and say make him go bring am for am. If you find a man or a small boy, if they know that around, they feel say woman make he go bring am. But by right, woman no supposed to touch that color, but he go bring that plate or that clay plate where that color dey inside. If him bring and come, him go kneel down. He supposed to kneel down. He no go stand up and hand it onto that man. He go kneel down. Then he go carry the plate, give the man as a respect. Then the man go greet him. But this time around, we women they break collar, and we go come public, he can't they break collar. He no good at all. He no they show respect at all. Where we supposed to respect even our ancestors. All of us where they here, we get ancestors. Nobody will go say you know get ancestors for a life. We get ancestors. We know they respect our ancestors. We know they respect our father. We know they respect our husband and our brothers. Because we say na 50-50. But I know say na 50-50. There is no place where I go sit down now, talk say na 50-50. No be 50-50.